Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying learning at home. So, here I am bringing another excited lesson for you so you will learn and enjoy. Let's begin our lesson. Let's have a look on objective of this lesson. This is a reading lesson through which you can identify people in your immediate surroundings or in pictures from a short, simple description of their physical appearance and clothes, through which you will be able to identify different important members of a community. Now have a look on difficult words. The first is installs. The meaning of this word is fixed in position, ready to use. Attire. Attire is also called as clothes. Extinguish. It is blow out. Dairy. This is a storage and distribution of milk and milk products. Neckerchief. This is a square of cloth worn round the neck. Students, do you know that we all are dependent on the people in our community to each other, and they do their job and they help us. When everyone does their job, they will help each other and it can maintain a great neighborhood. Such as when you go in any grocery store, so there are cashier. The cashier collects the money for the items at the grocery store. Similarly, in schools, the teacher helps the students to learn their lessons. And how can we identify these kind of people? So there are employees. They should use common sense in determining the appropriate level of business attire. Let's have a look on the people in our surrounding, which help each other and which are very helpful in our daily lives. So the first person who is really helpful in our daily life is an electrician. The electrician is a person who installs and maintains electrical equipment. And how can we identify an electrician? He usually uses pants and shirts, and it should be lightweight and it should be breathable and not overly tight, so he can perform freely and effectively. The second significant person of our society is a doctor. He is a person who is qualified to treat people who are ill. He also monitors and cares for patients in hospitals and clinics. He usually wears white coat, and a name tag have been cited by most studies as a formal dress code of physicians. The another helping member of our society is a plumber. He is a person who fits and repairs the pipes, fittings, and other apparatus of water supply or heating systems. He usually uses traditional items of clothing such as work trousers and tops to help them remain protected and flexible. Another important person of our society is a policeman. He is a member of a police force, and the primary duty of a police officer is to protect people and property. And we can identify a police with his uniform, which is usually in a khaki color. Farmer. Farmer is also a very important person of our society. He is a person who runs and works on a farm. Some farmers raise a variety of food crops, while others keep dairy cows and sell their milk. They usually wear safety hats when the job warrants it, and they wear gloves and boots. Here is another important person of our society, the chef. Chef is a professional cook, typically the chief cook in a restaurant or hotel. He is an expertise to create appetizing dishes for dinners to enjoy. And a typical chef uniform is a chef's jacket, chef pants, a hat, a neckerchief, and an apron. Firefighter. He is a person whose job is to extinguish fires. He wears a full range of firefighter apparel, includes a shirt, gloves, pants, boots, and a hat to protect himself. Sweeper is another important person of our society. He is a person who cleans a floor or road by sweeping. He usually wears blue-orange workers' uniform, sometimes safety vest or aprons. I hope you all now can easily identify the people in your surroundings. Now you all have to go on an ad box and there is a quiz which have these pictures and you have to write the correct names under these pictures. Till then, bye.